Good morning. It's a brand new day. Yay. The goal for us today is to clean the fridge so we can do a grocery shopping. This is what it looks like right now. There's like 0 things here except the milk because TJ just went, but I have to clean all of that and all of that and all of that and the freezer as well. Big stretch for my guy. After I clean the fridge, I need to get rid of I'm just turning off the lights because now we gotta pay for some bills, right? So we gotta really turn it off. And then I have to go through this boxes, like this stuff that I have here. But the only reason I haven't really touched them is because I don't have my tables and stuff here just yet. So yeah, so we have to do this. These boxes are my shoes, so I also need to find a place for them. Tackle it one by one, and first thing that we gotta do is the fridgey. Also, do you like my outfit? Like a homeowner vibe, you know? Like this is what my parents wear. I'm so cute, holy fuck. Okay, so I turned off the fridge because there will be some couscousing that's gonna happen. So I turned it off to save some energy. And everything is pretty much here. Yeah. Okay, some update. The main thing is clean now. Just need to put back the compartments and everything, and then I'm gonna get started with this bad boy right here. Guys, oh my god, I think I'm done. Ta-da! She looks so clean. I removed some stuff here, so I just made it like this. But I think the hardest part to clean is the freezer. But we did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. Yay! Alright guys, we are on the way to go grocery shopping. I honestly don't know where I should go because I feel like I'm gonna be buying a bunch of stuff, like essential stuff that I need, like sauces, toyo, all of that, like pantry stuff. So I'm thinking we're going Superstore first and then Costco potentially. Oh my god. And then yeah, let's start from there because this thing is so overwhelming. Good morning. Oh, it smells like smoke. Good morning, everyone. TJ, what are you doing?
Smoking a brisket.
Wow, can we take a peek or no?
No.
Wow.
Heat's gonna come out.
Guys, it's so cool. This dog.
It's cold. Almost.
Wow.
This is a good knife. This is 12 hours.
Happy weekend! We just got back from running errands all day, it feels like. Show you guys what we got. I got some refrigerator bin organizer, and I also got more organizers, and I got organizers for the pantry, and this is like extra, but we got like an organizer for our eggs because we're living that TikTok life, you know? And then we went like shopping at freaking Dollarama. So we got like a multifunctional holder for our Wallace mop. Yeah, and then we got more of these because we only have one. And we got like a strainer for our sink. And we got more scrub zaddy. We got some batteries. This dispenser is for salt and pepper. And we got like a temporary trash can. We got this rug, or what is this? A liner for the microwave because it keeps moving whenever we like open it. So we got that. And we got some toothpicks. So if you have tinga and everything, we have something for you. And I got this bamboo thingy. And then I'm gonna put like my pour over. It's supposed to be like a napkin holder, but I'm gonna put my pour over filters in this one so it looks cute. I also got this basket that I'm gonna put on the thingy under the sinky, so all the cleaning supplies can just like go here. This bad boy as well. I think TJ wants this for like a division for the plates and stuff. And last but not the least, I got this thing. It's a candle from Marshall's, and I cannot explain how calming this scent is. Like, it's just like so zen-y. Like, I feel like whenever I want to meditate or read, I would just like light this candle and then just like be in the feels, you know? And then I also got some plants from my Nina. So she gave me money plant, snake plant, and something. So my goal is to not kill those. Wish me luck. This is the highlight of the day, guys. We got our area rug. Oh. Woo! I feel like that's so big, babe.
A good size.
It's a good size rug. It's actually perfect. So nice. Woo! Woo! That's what it looks like. Okay, this is what we have. Obviously, we still need to do some painting, and that bike is going somewhere. I think we just need some greenery. I'm planning on buying like a big plant to go over there. That's over there. To go over there, that's gonna separate like the living room and the dining room area. And then we want like a lamp here that goes over like that. So yeah, that's like the vibe right now. Woo! Oh my god. And then I'll give you guys an update with my thing. This is what it looks like right now. Very cool. You love your carpet, Chewy? Do you like your carpet? Do you like your carpet? Oh, you like your carpet? Do you like it, Chewy?